Hello my angels, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, hi, this is Tiyasa and welcome to my channel. Please take a moment and subscribe and also press the bell icon. Then you will be notified every time I post a video. So in today's video, I will be sharing my daytime and nighttime skincare routine. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Good morning my angels. It's 9:30 and I woke up around 9 o'clock. Let's start the morning skincare. So first I will use my face wash. This is Bioderma's CBM Purifying Foaming Gel, and I have oily skin and extremely oily T-zones. So I use face wash in the morning. So this is enough. So now I will wash my face and I will be right back. So I have washed my face and now I will use aloe vera gel. This is from Body Alchemy. This is a pretty good aloe vera gel. I will take this much and I will apply it all over my face. So I have used my aloe vera gel and I will give my face 1 to 2 minutes to absorb this product. Now I will use this lip balm. This is from Blue Heaven. Yeah. So after 1 to 2 minutes, I will use sunscreen. Whether you are going out or not, you should always use a sunscreen in the morning time. So I am using this Oriental Botanics aloe vera sunscreen. So I will post a short soon about sunscreen, which sunscreen you can use or which is good. So my morning skincare routine is done. So I will see you in the evening when I will do my nighttime skincare routine. So I have just completed my shoot and going for a nighttime skincare routine. So first step of my skincare routine is removing my makeup, and I am using Bioderma's micellar water. So makeup is almost gone. So my next step is face wash, and I am using Biotics Bio Papaya face wash. So my face is completely clean, and the next step is serum. This is Charme's vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum, and I am taking 1.5 pump. So serum is done. Next step is moisturizer, and I am using Johnson's baby cream. Taking a little bit. So next step is lip balm, and this is my all-time favorite lip balm. This is Blue Heaven's lip balm, and this is cocoa butter flavor. Next step is eye cream, and this is Mothersparsh Eyecream. Our final step is body butter. I am using Mothersparsh body butter. That's a great body butter. You can definitely check that out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you regularly do your skincare routine. You can follow me on my Instagram page Pratya's Life and Tiyasa Mishra. And yeah, I will be back really soon. Till then, bye bye.